Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this Kmart pasta maker. I bought it on sale for $17 only, which is a super good deal. There is a simple instruction and a pasta recipe attached with this pasta machine. This pasta maker has 9 thickness selection. This is the main body, and let's see what's inside this white box. This is the noodle cutter, 2 sizes to choose. One looks like the angel hair size and the other one looks like the fettuccine size. And then we have one handle and a holder to hold the machine on the kitchen bench. It is really light. 9 sizes of thickness to choose. By turning the button. The button is set on the side of the machine. The edge of the button is a bit sharp. You might have to be careful when turning the button. Let me fix the pasta maker on the bench first. It is super easy to do it, as you can see. The cutter has a catch on each side. Push it into the main body when you cut the pasta sheet. This machine is really tiny, just about the size of my hand. It looks like a toy to me. Push the handle to the preset hole to control the roller. I used flour, salt, and water to make this dough to test this machine. I didn't need the dough at all. I just mixed them well and to form the dough first and use the pasta maker to knead the dough. I thought position 9 is the thickest. Actually, it is just the opposite. 9 is the thinnest. I turned it to level 9 for the first rolling. So you can see the dough is pressed to very thin now. It is because only the right hand side is fixed to the bench, so when I press hard, the left hand side is not staying firmly on the bench. I have to use hand to hold the left hand side on the bench. It looks pretty good for the first press. Because I used the wrong level, so I turned it back to level 1 and fold the pressed dough together and repress again. I feel the dough is a bit wet, so I also sprinkle some extra flour on the dough. See, the dough looks pretty good already after the third press. So we just fold press for about 10 times. We can start thinning the dough sheet. If we are at level 1 now, we can turn to level 3 and press for a few times, and then turn to level 5 and then press for a few times until turn to the level that is your ideal thickness of the dough sheet. My last press is level 9, which is the thinnest level, and I do feel the dough sheet is a bit too thin. Therefore, I pressed it to level 6 for the second dough sheet. This is the second dough sheet pressed at level 6. Now I test the cutter. I use the smaller sized cutter to cut the thinner dough sheet first. I didn't put eggs in the dough, so this is the Chinese noodle rather than the pasta. Then I use the bigger sized cutter to cut the thicker dough sheet. I cooked the noodle and make the Chinese dry noodle to test the texture of the noodles. It is really good. It is very chewy and I really love the texture of this noodle. I also make the same dry noodle for the thicker noodles. Same as the other one. The texture is really good. It is al dente. I'm pretty happy with this pasta maker. It is cheap, it is easy to use, and it is fun to use. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!